Have you ever opened the Quran, ready to connect with its words, but found your mind wandering, struggling to focus? You are not alone. In a world full of distractions, staying present with the words of Allah can feel challenging. The experience of reading the Quran can sometimes feel more like a ritualistic practice than a deeply spiritual one, particularly when it becomes a habitual activity performed without conscious reflection. When reading becomes a routine task, the mind may drift into mechanical repetition. Let's now explain this through a profound story about a man who for many years read the Quran daily. Every morning he would open its pages, recite a portion, and then close the book, satisfied that he had fulfilled his religious duty. Yet deep inside, he began to feel an unsettling emptiness. Though his lips moved over the words with precision, his heart felt disconnected. It was as though he was watering a plant, but the roots remained dry. The ritual was there, but the spiritual connection was missing. One day he visited an old scholar known for his deep understanding of the Quran. The man shared his feelings. I read the Quran every day, but it feels empty. I recite the words, but my heart feels untouched, as though I am performing a duty without tasting its sweetness. The scholar listened patiently and then handed him a crystal clear glass. He instructed the man to fill it with water, but to do so with mindfulness. Don't just pour the water, the scholar said, but observe it, its clarity, its movement, and its reflection. The man found the task surprisingly claiming and different from his usual hurried habits. Afterward, the scholar smiled and said, "This is how you should approach the Quran, not as a ritual to be completed, but as an experience to be lived. Each word is like that water, meant to reflect light into your heart. If you rush, the essence will be lost, but if you pause, observe, and reflect, it will quench your soul." The story carries a deep lesson. The Quran is more than a book to be recited, it's a conversation with the divine, a guidance meant to be observed, contemplated, and lived. Yet, when reading becomes mechanical, it loses its transformative power. If a person does not fully understand the meaning of Quranic verses, they might feel disconnected. The Quran is in Arabic, and if someone does not understand the language, the message may not touch their heart deeply. Even reading the translation without reflecting on the meanings can lead to an empty feeling. If the mind is distracted or thinking about worldly matters, it becomes difficult to feel spiritually connected. The heart and mind need to be present to absorb the message. Sometimes reading the Quran becomes a habit or checklist activity. When it's done just for the sake of completion, it may lack deep reflection and emotional connection. Iman naturally increase and decrease during low phases. The heart may feel distant from spiritual experiences, including reading the Quran. If a person does not see how the Quran relates to their personal life, it may feel distant. However, the Quran is a guide for all aspects of life. Stress, sadness, or mental health issue can create barriers that make it difficult to feel connected. Even the Quran. Sometimes the heart may feel distant from Allah due to sins or a weak spiritual connection. Let's explore how to transform your reading experience and unlock the true beauty of these divine words. Try to read the translation and tafsir to understand the context and depth of the verses. Learn the reasons behind the revelation of certain verses to connect with the message more personally. Before reading, try to clear your mind. Make wudu and focus on the intention of connecting with Allah. Recite slowly, reflect on each verse, and pause to think about its meaning. Instead of focusing on quantity, how much you read, focus on quality, how deeply you understand and feel. Choose fewer verses and spend time thinking about how they apply to your life. Increase other acts of worship like prayer, dhikr, and charity to strengthen faith. Make dua, supplication, asking Allah to open your heart to His words. Reflect on how the verses apply to your current life situations. Ask yourself, what is Allah trying to teach me through this verse? Or how can I embody this teaching in my life? Be kind to yourself and recognize that feeling empathy is a test and part of the journey. Increase in worship, remembrance, and seek Allah's closeness.